Working hard to make people happy is our first priority. Sharing the praise when someone takes the time to appreciate our efforts is a luxury. Here's what one person had to say.
Austin, you have taken great care of our lawn this year. I appreciate your professional approach and the time and effort you put into your work. My lawn looks terrific. Thanks again for all you've done this year. God bless.
Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you too. We're glad you had the chance to come and visit us today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.